Hello kids, in this video we are going to learn about bird's name. This is Robin. This is Robin. This is Nightingale. This is Nightingale. This is Crane. This is Crane. This is Goose. This is Goose. This is Magpie. This is Magpie. This is Hummingbird. This is Hummingbird. This is Penguin. This is Penguin. This is Quail. This is Quail. This is Turkey. This is Turkey. This is Vulture. This is Vulture. This is Sparrow. This is Sparrow. This is Lark. This is Lark. This is Seagull. This is Seagull. This is Rat. This is Rat. This is Flamingo. This is Flamingo. This is Moina. This is Moina. This is Macaw. This is Macaw. This is Woodpecker. This is Woodpecker. This is Ostrich. This is Ostrich. This is Parrot. This is Parrot. This is Duck. This is Duck. This is Hawk. This is Hawk. This is Cock. This is Cock. This is Swallow. This is Swallow. This is Hen. This is Hen. This is Cockatoo. This is Cockatoo. This is Cuckoo. This is Cuckoo. This is Rooster. This is Rooster. This is Swan. This is Swan. This is Crow. This is Crow. This is Eagle. This is Eagle. This is Heron. This is Heron. This is Pigeon. This is Pigeon. This is Dove. This is Dove. This is Kingfisher. This is Kingfisher. This is Owl. This is Owl. This is Peacock. This is Peacock. This is Hornbill. This is Hornbill. This is White Peacock. This is White Peacock. This is Snowy Owl. This is Snowy Owl.